So I bought another car and we're gonna get it fixed up, painted, and ready to drive. So here's what it looks like.
Everybody wants more free time, but nobody talks about what they're gonna do with it. And if you're into cars, your project is the test. Because when your free time has no purpose, your build stops. And from the outside, you look lazy. But that's not the truth. We've all heard it. The project car is never finished. People say it like it's a joke, like we're incapable of ever wrapping anything up. But I think there's a deeper reason. Something that most people never realize. Everyone wants more time. But most people have plenty already. They just don't use it. Free time without purpose doesn't give you freedom. It gives you anxiety. You start feeling stuck, like you're wasting something. Because you are. Most people stop working on their cars because their skill set simply hasn't caught up yet, and they feel overwhelmed. Or they're wasting time outside the garage and they start to feel stuck. And that's when doubt creeps in. And your car, it just sits and collects dust. And if this sounds like you, I've got something for you. I started Project Help to get people building again. If you're in Northern Ohio and you've got a stalled project, one that you would love to get finished, but you just can't get it moving again, head over to the Objective Garage Instagram page. There's a link in the bio, click it and apply. No cost, no catch, just a chance to get that momentum back. But here's what they don't get. My cars, they're not just cars. They're an expression of my skill set. And if I ever say that they're finished, I'm also saying that I'm done learning. I've got nothing more to learn. And that's never gonna be true. I've got a project sitting, waiting right now. But I'm not gonna rush it, because that car is still waiting for my skill set to catch up. And when it does, this will be the most insane thing I've ever built. Your car doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs your attention and your effort. If you use your time with purpose, your car will follow. But if you waste it, your project will stall and you're gonna start thinking that you're the problem. You're not. You just need a new strategy. Drop a comment and tell me, what project are you working on and what's it really teaching you? I'm Taras, and this is Objective Garage. Here, we wrench with heart, speak the truth, and always keep it real. See you in the next one.